So African rituals and healing practices are deeply reflective of this circular cosmology that they were created with, where the understanding of life and time and health and all of ourselves are interconnected within this whole, embedded within these fractal forms and rhythms that are nonlinear, cyclical, can exponentially grow and spontaneously move and transform and shift, and shift shape from the linear to the circular, and where the focus is on bringing the system at all levels of life back into this dynamic balance, this ordered disorderedness. And so the interventions that do this, that restore this wholeness at all levels of life, are rituals. And they restore us by realigning our minds, body, spirit, soul, cells, stars, one another, the more than human world, the elemental beings, just repatterning us all back into our original curves that are coherent with the whole.